Samuel Tate Davis was born in Pennsylvania in 1828. He came to Sioux City in 1856. He became partner in the firm of Parker, Gray, and Davis. He served as postmaster here from 1856 to 1857 and county judge at that exact same time. He founded the Sioux City Journal in 1864. He was instrumental in securing the first rail transportation to Sioux City. He helped construct the Sioux City and Pacific, the Sioux City and Pembina, the Sioux City and St. Paul, and the Covington, Columbus, and Black Hills Railways. He was elected mayor of Sioux City in 1871. He was instrumental in starting the push to straighten the Floyd River. He was killed in 1900 when he was hit by a trolley near his home. He had become deaf, and he didn't hear it coming. He was also rated as one of 8 millionaires at this time whose fortunes were made in Sioux City. Now the reason Haley said I had to give this one, the streets on Sioux City's west side. You may have told the urban legend that those were named for the children of William and Rebecca Smith. That's not true. The fact is that they're actually named for the children of S.T. Davis. If you look at Smith's kids' names, they're not the street names, but George was S.T. Davis's son. Ross was Davis's child. His youngest son, John and Allen, middle names, those are the West Side streets. His second wife was Rebecca. His sister was Anna Isabella. So that is where the West Side street names come from, the children of S.T. Davis. Haley is going to talk now about one of our most fascinating residents, Asahel Wheeler Hubbard. Sorry I took away her thunder by saying his name.